My name is Sultan Batterjee. I'm the CEO of IHCC. As our company, as IHCC, we've been in the design and build and EPC industry, so the engineering and construction and MEP, fit outs and facility management, the whole cycle, covering the whole cycle of buildings, whilst being specialized on healthcare, education, and mixed-use projects. So we've been doing that for a very long time in Saudi Arabia, in the UAE, in Egypt, Morocco. So we've been covering the MENA region now. And we've realized almost 10 years now that the energy efficiency in the sustainability industry is a really growing industry and that we have to focus on that. So we have created Greener by IHCC around 2015, and where we have realized that all of the large companies and the large development companies were asking us for sustainability services and energy services. And we've realized that there was no players in the Saudi market at that time. So we went as IHCC and we have created Greener by IHCC, which is specialized in green building consulting, sustainability, solar, commissioning, specialized commissioning, indoor air quality. So we took the 360 of sustainability and starting it in IHCC. So for example, we do LEED certifications. So we've been doing LEED certifications. If you go back to history, in 2014, in the Saudi market, there was only 2 projects that were LEED certified. And now there are thousands of projects. There is, I think, 1,000 LEED certified projects in Saudi today. So this movement happened in the last 5 years, where the vision was released, Vision 2030, the giga projects have been adopting the sustainability factor, and we have been playing a major role in that. We have accomplished and achieved LEED certifications and WELL certifications for very large giga projects. For example, just recently, the Red Sea Experience Center is a LEED Platinum certification that was done by Greener. We've also went into the ESCO business, which is the energy efficiency business. So as a Saudi company, we became a Saudi ESCO player, and we have started that. So we went in the journey from pure consulting, and then we went to different services, and we ended up with the ESCO part. So for example, in the ESCO part with Tershid, we have completed last year more than 3,300 schools around the kingdom, across the kingdom, where we went and we reduced the energy efficiency from 30 to 40%. Imagine, all in 1 year, at the same time, different geographical areas, north, east, west, south. We have covered the whole demographics. We went and we've covered 5 universities. So we went from the retrofitting of lights, then we went to retrofitting of the total buildings. So we actually have completed 5 universities, 5 hospitals. Imagine reducing the energy from 30 to 40%. So that's where you see the green building consultancy. Then we went to the ESCO part, and then we went to the EV charging stations, which is the electric vehicles charging stations, so the mobility. So we became the mobility partner of King Salman Park, Misk City, Dir'iyah Gate, Kaust. So we became the actual mobility partner. We executed more than 700 points of electric charging vehicles across the kingdom. So it's more than 700 points across all of Saudi Arabia for electric vehicle chargers by Greener, installed, commissioned, and done across the kingdom. So this shows where the sustainability market is heading and moving in Saudi Arabia. It was just ideas and plans, and now it's actual tangible, and you can measure it. As IHCC, when we've looked at the overall strategy of where we want to go, we've realized that there are pillars that we have to cover. So some of the pillars are, for example, local content. It's a major pillar that we have been focusing on. And when I say local content, it's not only people, it's spend, it's people, it's materials, it's products, it's actual spend in the country. And then we go to sustainability. So sustainability meaning energy efficiency, green building. It's a major pillar where IHCC is playing in. And the third one is technology. When I say technology, is digital transformation and digital disruption plan in the company. So the digital transformation plan for us in the engineering part covers our 7D BIM transformation. So for example, now we're implementing this as we speak. Our plan is to complete that in the next 8 months to 12 months to be a 7D implemented BIM company. So when we say that, we say BIM engineering, design, BIM construction, BIM quantity takeoffs, and BIM facility management as built. So you get the whole cycle through BIM, which helps you from a spine point of view to control the company, which helps you to go to machine learning, robotics, data mining, all of that. So imagine going from that space, from a 2D platform to a 7D platform, which helps you move to our fourth pillar, which is modular construction and all of that. So this is what we're doing now, and this is what we're focusing on by continuing our specialization. So we started as a contractor, then we became a design and build company, and now we're becoming a player in delivering high performance buildings. Partnerships for IHCC and greener is a very vital role for us in the future of what we are doing, especially in achieving the Vision 2030. So we're big believers in that. We're big believers in consortiums. We're big believers in affiliations. We've been doing that. We actually work in Saudi, and we're a MENA player too. So we have presence in the UAE, in Egypt, in Morocco, in Pakistan, in Oman, in all of these regional countries, plus offices in India and Europe. So what we do with that is that we go and we find the right partners that have the specializations in the complexity of the projects that we're working on. We go and find them, create consortium, bring that knowledge, and work on these projects to achieve them. And we have done that in the past. We have done that in the past, and we are currently doing that. So we have won multiple projects within the Giga projects with this strategy of bringing the companies that work with us to fulfill the consortium, especially that the market is so big and the projects are so specialized and unique today. So this is a pillar that we focus on as one of our main goals today. Bring people, like-minded people who share the purpose, share the values, share the culture. We work on a common vision, a common goal. We come together and we achieve the higher goals that are set for us. So the next 5 to 10 years are very vital in the country's period, in the region, in the world's period, and in our company, IHCC and greener, especially that many things are evolving, many things are changing. Technology disruption is coming into the picture. Human capital is changing. There's a lot of, especially in this region, the population demographics are different. You have a huge percentage of young generation. So the adaptability to the company, to the workforce, especially with technology coming into the place, you have to be the right player. And I believe that companies are people. No matter what changes around in the economy, it's all about people. It's people, people, people. That's why we're a great place to work. We've been a great place to work for many years in our field, which is a rare thing, to be in the engineering and construction field and the energy efficiency field, recognized as a great place to work. So we believe in people first. And then we are a purpose-driven company. All of our companies are purpose-driven. So we believe that it's purpose, passion, and persistence. These are the 3 Ps that we focus on all the time, ensuring that they fall in place, attracting the right talent, and ensuring that we head in the right direction. So we believe that's very important. And as I said, relying on our pillars, which is people, technology, and energy efficiency and local content. We are focusing on these areas in the next coming years, and we're focusing on our partnerships. And we are ensuring that we fulfill our country's vision and the KPIs and the goals of the clients that we're working on. And this is what we're doing. And we believe we're heading in a great direction. We've been recognized in the market, in the areas that we're working in. The market has been speaking back to us, and we're very proud of that. We're very proud, we're very confident, and we have a very bright future ahead of us, and we're very confident of that. The Green Building Summit, KSA, in Riyadh, is a very special event happening at a special time, where the country is pushing and promoting green building and sustainability across the kingdom, especially with the Saudi pledge of 2060, talking about net zero emissions at that time. So it came at the right time. A lot of giga projects, a lot of large projects happening at this period, and they're all promoting sustainability and energy efficiency. So the timing is the right timing.